The three meninges are the pia mater, the dura mater, and the arachnoid.
Under the scapula, you find the brachial plexus, which is a network of nerves to the brachium. The white cord-like things is the brachial plexus.
Right here.
I'll just cut this. So all these nerves, it's not as obvious as with the brachial plexus, but I did cut through all these nerves right here. These are all the lumbosacral plexus.
This is a pericardium. The pericardium covers the heart. The pericardium or pericardial sac is filled with pericardial fluid, which reduces friction.
The apex is formed by the left ventricle. The right and the left atrium and the right and the left ventricle make up the four chambers of the heart. The atrium are the small structures on top of the heart. The left ventricle has the thickest muscles of all four chambers of the heart, and as a result of having to pump blood to the rest of the body, the left ventricle also forms the apex of the heart. Papillary muscles are attached to the chordae tendineae. They are called papillary muscles because they look like papilla. Chordae tendineae are cord or tendon-like structures that are attached to valves of the heart, which are flaps. The tricuspid valve lets blood flow from the right atrium to the right ventricle, and the bicuspid valve lets blood flow from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Similar valves are the aortic and pulmonary valves. Coronary arteries are the arteries that supply blood to the heart. The aortic arch transports the blood to the rest of the body. The ligamentum arteriosum is the ligament that was previously the ductus arteriosus, which transported the blood from the right ventricle between the aortic arch and the pulmonary trunk. The brachiocephalic trunk directs and supplies blood to the head, neck, right arm, and brain. The vena cava is the vein that carries deoxygenated blood to the heart from the lower body to the heart through the caudal vena cava, and from the head or the upper body to the heart through the cranial vena cava. The pulmonary trunk splits into the left and right pulmonary arteries leading to the lungs, and transports the blood to the lungs.